I'm sharing my mom's recipe today. This is really good for digestion. It helps to reduce excessive weight, and this is also very useful to reduce the bloating from your body. And the best part is there is no chemical involved. So let me show you how to make this digestive powder. So to make the herde mixture in this pan, first I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Make sure to keep the stove on low temperature. So here I am adding my oil in it. Now in this oil I am going to add 100 grams of herde. This is also known as himaj. So this is small herde. If you can find the big herde, you can also use big herde as well. So I am taking 100 grams of himaj over here. And now I am going to fry this himaj in this castor oil. So make sure to fry on slow temperature. So once it is fried, the himaj will puffed up and it will change in color. As you are seeing over here, it is like a little bit lighter in color, and the himaj is also almost double in quantity. So make sure to stir continuously so all the himaj will puffed up. So fry until you will see everything is puffed up very nice. Just stir continuously. And here, as you can see, everything is nicely done. And now I'm going to switch up the flame, and I'm still going to roast it for 1 minute. So here I'm switching up the flame, and now I'm going to transfer this into the another bowl. So I'm just taking all the himaj, and I'm going to leave the castor oil into the pan. So just take all the himaj into another bowl. And here I'm going to let it cool down completely. And here there is a castor oil left. I'm not going to discard it. I'm going to use it again. I'll show you later into the video how we can use this castor oil. So here the himaj is cooled down completely. Now I'm going to add some more spices in it. Here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Then 1 tablespoon of carom seed. This is ajwain. 1 tablespoon of black salt and 1 tablespoon of dry ginger powder. And now I'm going to transfer this into the mixture bowl, and I'm making a powder out of it. So here our powder is ready. Now I'm going to add this powder into the leftover castor oil. I told you that we are going to use this castor oil again. So I'm going to add all the powder into this castor oil. Castor oil will work as a laxative. It is a mild laxative, so this will remove the toxins from your body and it will help you to digest the food. So that is the reason I am going to add the castor oil back into our powder. So now I am going to mix everything together very nice. In the beginning it will look like a little bit lumpy mixture, but it will dry eventually. So just keep mixing. So I'm just mixing, and again it will little bit time consuming, but you will see the good result at the end. So here everything is nicely dry. Now you can store this into the glass jar, and this can be stored at the room temperature for up to 7 to 8 months. Now to use this, take 1 teaspoon of this mixture with warm water every night, and if your body is sensitive then you can reduce the quantity, and this will help you to remove the bloating and the toxin from your body. So share your thoughts with me. How do you like this recipe? I would love to hear from you, and I will see you with the next episode of Rinku's Rasoi. Till then, happy cooking!